There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.
The boss. All right, y'all. First family right here. Mr. D. Looking like a bandit. And look who back there, y'all. First round. Matty. Y'all, we did that. Excuse the stool. Mike been picking up furniture everywhere. So y'all know how we do it. But anyway, we did that. Today is what? April the 13th, second round of our Pfizer. Okay. Yeah, so I hear Johnson is giving y'all some trouble out there. Johnson & Johnson. So Pfizer did us pretty good so far. Did they stop the Johnson? Did y'all know? Did they stop doing the Johnson?
I don't know.
I heard it on the news, baby.
I heard on the news too.
I got a Pfizer. You got a Pfizer. Man, I got a Pfizer. Oh, God, children got a Pfizer.
Yes, indeed. Y'all know what Maddie's up to. She said, oh, now I can figure out where I want to eat. See, that's what it's about. She wouldn't have gotten out of the house before 2 o'clock had we not promised her that.
Well, you gotta go back, man, on the 3rd.
Oh, it says the 4th of next month.
The 4th.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well.
So you can't kiss nobody till after the 4th.
That should be easy to remember because I gotta go to the orthodontist on the 5th.
Girl, you're going to have a busy week. Absolutely. But my arm was super sore the last time, so that's why I kind of hated to get it today because we got a show on Saturday, so hopefully it'll be all good.
And Little Rock, let them know in Little Rock.
Little Rock, they know it's on my community page. They
Well,
gonna be
you gotta
there.
tell them, a lot of people can't read.
They gonna be there. This probably won't get posted until after I get back. Anywho, we don't know. So that's about it. Well, that's a wrap. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.